Let's go through the steps for removing and installing the starter on your Cat equipment. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Today, we're working on a next-generation 906 wheel loader. You can contact your Cat dealer for information about servicing your specific equipment. Also ask your Cat dealer about self-service options, or SSO. SSO covers Cat parts, service instructions, recommended tools, and technical support. Now, prepare for service. Move your machine to level ground and lower implements. Release system pressure and engage the parking brake. And be sure to follow your lockout and tagout procedures. After taking all safety measures, grab the proper tools for this service. Your Cat equipment starter is designed for durability even in harsh environments. But when you need a new one, you may opt for a Cat Reman starter from your Cat dealer. Cat Reman offers a huge range of cost-effective, warranty-backed products. To remove the old starter, open the engine hood and turn the battery disconnect switch off. If your machine doesn't have a battery disconnect switch, disconnect the battery cables. Remove this nut and disconnect the cables. Next, disconnect the harness. After you remove the nuts, you can take out the old starter. Now, just repeat the steps in reverse order. Place the new starter and install all nuts. Next, connect the harness and cables. Turn the battery switch back on and test the starter to make sure it's working properly. For more information and support, contact your Cat dealer. And always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.